Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am here to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 5, Exercise 5.3. I will solve some questions from 11 up to 20 today. In the last class of this chapter, I have solved question 1 up to 10, and I have given you some homework from this chapter today. At first I will solve this question, then I will show the homework. Okay, let us start. In this chapter, our topic is resolve into factors. Some expressions are given, we have to resolve the expression into factors. In the last class, I have explained how to resolve into factors, and I have told the rules. First one, I have told at first we have to observe if there is any common factor in all the terms or not. If there is any common factor in all the terms, then we have to take that factor common at first. Then if we can't take common in that way, and we'll see the number of terms. If the number of terms are even, then we'll try to take common taking two terms together. And if we can't take common in that way, then we have to try to apply the formula. Okay. Today I'll show you a new method. At first, the method is x square plus px plus q. If any expression is in this format, that expression we can resolve into factors using a technique. We have to consider two factors. Suppose one is x plus a and another is x plus b. In this case, remember that addition of a plus b will be p, and product of a and b will be q. This is the format. This rules is known as middle term factor. It means that we'll factorize the middle term. It means that we'll write the middle term into two terms using a technique. What is the technique? The technique is at first factorize the last term, constant term 80. But here is another constant. If there is another constant, then we have to take common at first. We can take common 2 from all the terms. At first, if we take 2 as common, a square plus 3a minus 40 will be here. Now we can apply that technique. We have to write this term into two terms. To do this, we have to factorize 40. So we can say 5, or we can take 2, 20, then again 2, 10, again 2, 5. Now, if we observe, product of this 3, 2 is 8 and this is 5. So, we can relate these two, 8 and 5. If we take 8a is positive and 5a negative, then sum of these two will be 3a. Sum of these two will be 3a. And product of 8 and 5 will be 40. It means that this is middle term factor. So we can write this term now using the technique a square plus 8a. As 3a positive here, so we have to take the greater number positive, greater term positive, and the next term negative. 40. Now calculate here. plus 8a minus 5a, it means plus 3a. So we can say we have written the middle term into two terms. Now we can take a as common from this two term, a plus 8. Then take minus 5 as common, a plus 8. Then 2 will remain. Take a plus 8 as common, a plus 8 as common. Then a will remain here and minus 5 will remain here. So we can write this is our required answer for the first expression, 2 into a plus 8 into a minus 5. Now the second expression we can solve using the same technique. Here 91, we can divide 91 by 7. It will be 13. So relate these two. If we write minus 13y plus 7y, sum of these two will be minus 6y. So we can express middle term as two terms as following: minus 13y plus 7y minus 91. Now we can take y as common from this two term. If we take y will remain in the first term, here is minus, and 13 will remain in the second term. Now plus 7 take common, y will be in the first term, then minus 13 will be in the second term. Now y minus 13 is common here. Now y left and plus 7 left. So we can say this is our required answer for question 12. Y minus 13 into y plus 7. Now go to question 13. This is also the same method. We have to write the middle term into two terms. For this I have to factorize this 2 times. If we divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 14 and 2 7. Now product of these 3 2 is 8 and here is 7. So we can say 8p minus 8p minus 7p. If both are negative, then sum will be minus 15p. Their sum will be minus 15p. So we can write this p square minus 8p minus 7p plus 56. Now take p as common from the first two term. P will remain in the first term, minus 8 will remain in the second term. Then take minus 7 as common from the last two term. P will remain in this term and 8 will remain in last term. So we can say p minus 8 is common and p left, so p minus 7. So we can say our required answer for this question is p minus 8 into p minus 7. Now question 14. Question 14, we are looking here a to the power 8, a to the power 4. So we can take a to the power 4 as common, and here is 45 and here is 5. We can take 5 a to the power 4 as common. So here 9 will remain and a to the power 4 will remain in the first term, and in the last term only x to the power 4 will remain, as I have taken a to the power 4, 5 a to the power 4 common. Now this will remain same, but here we have to try to apply the formula here. We can write 9 a to the power 4 as 3a square whole square, and x square we can write as x square whole square. Now consider 3a square as a and x square as b. So we can say this is a square and minus this is b square. It means a square minus b square. The formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A means 3 square minus b means x square. This is our required answer for question 14. 5a to the power 4 into 3a square plus x square into 3a square minus x square. Then question 18. Dear students, observe here, this is 2bc. It means consider b as a, c as b. It means 2bc means 2ab, and here is b square means a square. Here is c square means b square. It means that we can apply the formula here, a minus b whole square. At first I have to take minus as common, b square minus 2bc plus c square. Now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means that the formula is a minus b whole square. So we can write a means b here and b means c here. So we can write a minus b, it means b minus c whole square. So consider this is a and this is b, b minus c as b. So we can say a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So you know the formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. A is a here plus b means b minus c, and a minus b, a means a and b means b minus c. So remove the bracket at first, a plus b minus c. When we will multiply by plus sign, no change here. If we multiply by minus sign, the sign inside the bracket will be changed. So this will be minus b and this will be plus c. This is our required answer for question 18. A plus b minus c and a minus b plus c. Now question 19. 144 x to the power 7 minus 25 x cube a to the power 4. Here we can take any number as common, but we can take x cube as common. So take x cube as common. 144 x to the power 4 will remain here and 25 a to the power 4 will remain here. Now x cube, we can write 144 x to the power 4 as 12x square whole square, as 12 is the square root of 144. Now we can write this as 5a square whole square. It means that consider this is a and consider this is b. It means 12x square consider as a, 5a square consider as b. So here will be a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So we can apply the formula again, that is a plus b means 12x square plus 5a square into a minus b means 12x square minus 5a square. This is our required answer for question 19. X cube into 12x square plus 5a square into 12x square minus 5a square. Now I'll solve the last question, that is question 20. Question 20 is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square minus 16a square. This is question 20. Now I will solve this question. Dear students, here we can write first term, we can write 2x whole square, and here we can write formula. If we want to apply the formula to a means 2x, b means 3y, then here is 9y square means 3y whole square. It means that a square plus 2a b plus b square minus 16a square. So we can apply the formula here, a plus b whole square minus, we can write this as 4a whole square. Now here is a square minus b square. Consider 2x plus 3y as a and 4a as b. So this is a square minus b square. So we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. A means 2x plus 3y plus b means 4a, and a minus b, a means 2x plus 3y and b means 4a. So this is a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So our required answer for this question is 2x plus 3y plus 4a into 2x plus 3y minus 4a. Dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. I have given 3 questions here as your HW. Solve this question in your HW copy. Submit your HW on next Sunday, and you will get back your previous copy on that day from the school library. Remember that homework is very, very important for you, as CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks of annual examination will be given on the performance of your homework. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.